Here are 3 news stories from the world of the crypto industry. First, news. Notcoin aims for the top 50 most capitalized cryptocurrencies. Notcoin's market capitalization has already surpassed that of Lido DAO and Celestia. Now, the token aims to break into the top 50 largest cryptocurrencies. Notcoin's growth has surprised many, given its modest origins as a gaming token from a Telegram application. However, this crypto asset has already delivered many surprises. Notcoin is a gaming Web3 project based on the Ton network, which appeared in January this year as a mini application on Telegram. In just a few months, the number of players exceeded 35 million. Last month, Not became available on many major exchanges. The token's price almost doubled in just 48 hours. As a result, its market capitalization exceeded $2 billion and approached $2.2 billion. Now, it has a real chance to break into the list of the 50 largest cryptocurrencies. Recent growth has already allowed Notcoin to surpass assets such as Lido DAO, Celestia, Thorchain, and FET. The next competitors for the coin will be Phantom and Bonk. Surpassing them will bring Not into the top 50. Amid the altcoin's success, investors' attention has also shifted to other Web3 games and tokens. As a result, the total market capitalization of all gaming tokens increased by 4.5% to $30 billion, and their trading volumes grew by 95% in 24 hours. Currently, Not ranks third among the largest gaming tokens in the world, behind only Immutable X and Floki. Meanwhile, Axie Infinity, AXS, is in 6th place. The price has risen almost 100% in the last 2 days, from $0.011 to $0.021. The altcoin even set a new all-time high of $0.029, the first time since the asset's launch on May 16. Potential entry into the top 50 most capitalized assets will be a significant achievement for Not and could push the price further up. In this case, it could rise to $0.030 or higher. However, Not holders might take this opportunity to lock in profits and secure their investments. If they do, Notcoin's price could lose support at $0.020 and fall to $0.015. This would negate the bullish scenario and strip the coin of its recently gained points. Second, news. In May, crypto funds received $2 billion in capital inflows. Last week, from May 27 to 31, a total of $185 million was invested in cryptocurrency-based investment products. Capital inflows into cryptocurrency funds have been observed for the 4th consecutive week. Analysts at CoinShares noted that a total of $2 billion was poured into them in May. The total inflow of funds into crypto-based investment products reached $15 billion for the first time. However, last week, trading volumes decreased from $13.6 billion to $8 billion. Most of the capital went to funds in the US, $130 million. Meanwhile, investors withdrew a total of $260 million from the largest Bitcoin trust, Grayscale, over 5 trading days. Switzerland was the second largest country in terms of inflows, with $36 million. Bitcoin-based products received $148 million last week. Short positions on the leading cryptocurrency saw an outflow of $3.5 million. According to analysts, this hints at positive sentiment among ETF investors. Inflows into Ethereum-focused funds continue. This dynamic was largely aided by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of spot ETFs for ETH. Following this decision, market participants gradually changed their attitude towards Ethereum, from which capital had previously been flowing out. The good news also had an impact on Solana. Products based on one of the largest cryptocurrencies received more than $5.8 million. Third, news. Hackers stole $3 million from OKX and Binance users. 2 traders from Japan and China lost a total of $3 million. A hacker gained access to a Chinese user's Binance account and withdrew $1 million, while a Japanese trader on OKX was hacked for over $2 million. How the Binance user was robbed. One of Binance's users fell victim to a sophisticated fraud scheme, which he detailed on X. Without a password and two-factor authentication, 2FA, the attacker gained access to the trader's account and stole nearly all the funds in the victim's address. While the hacker carried out his scheme, the investor did not receive any notifications from the exchange's security services. According to experts, cybercriminals intercepted the user's session through an infected Chrome browser plugin called AgriTrade using cookies. Using these cookies, the fraudsters bought tokens in highly liquid trading pairs and sold them at inflated prices in low liquidity pairs. The victim was unaware of these operations until, out of habit, he opened his Binance account to check the Bitcoin price. Throughout the investigation, according to the user, the exchange's staff responded too slowly and did not help recover the stolen funds. On May 29, the Agritrade team warned that a fraudulent extension was using its brand. This scam has been known since 2022. Through similar schemes, fraudsters have repeatedly emptied user accounts on Kraken, Binance, BitGet, and other exchanges. Another incident involved an OKX user. The trader lost over $2 million due to an even more sophisticated scam, highlighted by Chinese crypto journalist Colin Wu. The attackers bought the victim's personal data on Telegram from the black market and then used artificial intelligence. The hackers created a deepfake, which they used to change the password, phone number, email address, and even 2FA. As a result, the fraudsters gained access to the victim's OKX account and withdrew all the user's funds within 24 hours.